What's up guys, welcome back to the video. If you guys are getting this error on your new Samsung AI Washer Dryer Combo Kit, and you're getting error code 5C on your phone through the SmartThings app, this is the fix for you. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content just like this video. Thank you. The error says the washer isn't draining properly. Clean the unit, clean the drain filter, then tap the start button to restart the washer. So if you open up your bottom here, you look at it, you will see right there, right here, there is the drain, okay? But there is this little guy, and it has a lot of the water in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, if you've had any Chinese food lately, we're gonna take this, and we are going to take it apart. Just take it apart like this, and we're gonna drain it into the cup, just like that. All right, let's let it finish. Still letting it drain. Okay, so it's pretty much finished. So, well, it's finished enough for me. So we're gonna set that, put that back in. And that's about how much water we got out. So we'll set that to the side. And we're gonna open. Oh my goodness. Well, that would be why it wasn't pumping. So, yeah. So set some towels down. I did not do that. That was a lot of water. It's a lot more than I thought it would be. I don't know whether to be like super grossed out by this or not, but wow. Phew. So we're just gonna pick it out. Ooh. There's a zip tie in here. Oh man. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, so if you haven't checked your drain filter, you should check it, because this has been about 3 months and it's filthy. So got it cleaned. I'm gonna go rinse it off, clean this mess up. I'll be right back. That is gross. Lots of lint, dog hair. Oh man. All right, now that the filter is nice and clean and dried, we're gonna put the filter back in. Put it up there like this. Make sure that the drain line here was put back in there the right way. All right, that's all that is. So that's all that is. That's all to it. And then now we're just gonna hit the start button. Start the dry process. If this video has helped you, don't forget to hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. I wish you guys the best. Hope you guys have a great day. Bless you all. Thank the Lord above. Have a great day.